Welcome children, continue from the previous video. I am going to explain question number 3 and question number 5 through this video. Question number 3, just they ask us to say true or false. Just we can check it as true or false. So how to check first one, let us check. 10 into 10 power 11 is equal to 100 power 11. Just check whether in the value equal or not, we can tell it as true, otherwise it is false. So how to do? Multiplication symbol is there. If base is same, write only one time and add the power. What is the power here? If no power, we can take it as 1 plus 11 equal to 100 power 11. 10, 1 plus 11. What is 1 plus 11? 12 equal to 100 power 11. 10 power 12 or 100 power 11 same apa? No. Then answer is false. Okay. Second one, they gave 2 power 3 is greater than 5 square. Yes, 2 power 3 is greater than 5 square, but in this case I told you in the previous thing that if power is highest, we can tell it as a greater value, but sometimes it will not be work out. We want to check it once. Just check it. 2 power 3. How to check it as 2 power 3? We should multiply 2 how many times? 3 times. Greater than 5 square means 5 into 5. So 2 power 3, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2s are 8 is greater than 5 5s are 25. 8 is greater than 25. No, it is wrong. So this is also false. So I told you previously that if power is greater, we can tell it as the greater value, that is for same type of numbers. Inga base same, base power same values, position marinda we can apply that, but it will not applicable for all the type of numbers. Now third one, 2 power 3 into 3 square is equal to 6 power 5. We want to check whether it is true or not. So how to do 2 power 3. What is the value of 2 power 3? 2 power 3 and 3 power 2. No, nothing is common. How to do? We should multiple. 2 power 3 can be written as, here we found already 2 power 3 is 8 into 3 square, which means 3 into 3. What is 3 into 3? 3 3 is 9 is equal to 6 power 5. 6 power 5. அப்போ இது என்னது 6 into 7. 6 into 7 is, sorry, 8 into 9 is 72. This is 6 power 5. 6 power 5 என்றது கண்டிப்பாக 72 ஓட பெருசாக தான் இருக்கும், not equal to தான் வரும். So this also false. Fourth one, 3 power 0 is equal to 1000 power 0. I told you anything power 0 is 1. What is 0 power 3 power 0? 1 equal to 1000 power 0 also 1. So both are equal, then we can tell it as true. And this question also similar to this question, but here we stop till the power value வர வரைக்கும் அப்படியே வச்சிட்டோம். இங்கே வந்து என்ன பண்ணோம், பவர் வந்ததுக்கப்புறமும் further we should find the value, we should simplify. So I am going to explain two questions, that is question number 2 and 3 now. So 2 and 3, they ask us to simplify 25 into 5 square into t power 8 divided by 10 power 3 into t power 4. If it is like this, I told you that something is common, something should have relation. This, see, consider this 25 நாம் எப்படி எழுதலாம்? We can write 25 as 5 into 5. So what is the meaning of 5 into 5? 5 into 5 means 5 square. So this 25 can be written as 5 square, and already we have one more 5 square and t power 8. Here this 10 cube can be written as, ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருந்தேன். So if it is like this, we can write this 10 as 2 into 5, right? 10 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 2 into 5 எழுதலாமா? பவர் 3 இங்கே ரெண்டு 10 வந்து ரெண்டாக பிரித்ததுனால பவர் வந்து காமனாக தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ திஸ் கேன் பி ஸ்ப்ளிட். பவர் வந்து என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? 2க்கு தனியாகவும் 5க்கு தனியாகவும் எழுதிக்கலாம். ஸோ திஸ் 10 power 3 can be written as 2 power 3 into 5 power 3 into t power 4. Okay, so now simplify the numerator. 5 base is same, so add the power into t power 8 by 2 power 3. Nothing to be simplified in the denominator, so write the denominator as it is. Let me continue here. ஏற்கனவே சொன்னேன் ஒரே மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா தனித்தனியாக எழுதிக்கலாம்னு சொன்னேன். இங்கே 2 மேலே இல்லை கீழே தான் இருக்குது. கீழே மட்டும்தான் இருக்குன்னா 2 power 3 எழுதிக்கிறோம். மேலே எதுவுமே எழுதாமல் இருக்கக்கூடாது. we want to write it as 1 into இங்கே 5 இங்கே 5, அதுக்கு 5க்கு நேராக ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்க வேல்யூஸை வந்து நேராக எழுதிக்கிறோம். into t power 8 by t power 4. இதில் எந்த சேஞ்சஸும் இல்லை. 2 power 3 into இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது? ரெண்டுமே சேம். ஸோ ரைட் த பேஸ் ஒன்லி once and subtract the power. 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? 1 into here also to write only one time. Subtract the power. 8 minus 4 is 4. That's all. I'll teach you the third question now. 3 power 5 into 10 power 5 into 25 divided by 5 power 7 into 6 power 5. See, here also we saw, and here also we are going to see something should be common. So similarly consider this also. 3 power 5. This 10, how can we write 10? 10 can be written as 2 into 5, right? So 2 into 5, no change in the power. And this 25 also we can write it as 5 square divided by 5 power 7 into this 6. 5ல எந்த சேஞ்சஸும் இல்லை. 6 வந்து என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா 2 into 3ன்னு எழுதலாம். சார் ஏன் சார் இப்படி பிரித்து எழுதணும்? எஸ், வி வாண்ட் டு சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணணும். அதனால் இந்த நம்பர்ஸ்லாம் ப்ரைம் நம்பர் இல்லை. So we want to make this number as prime numbers. If no prime number also, some relation is there. So we are making that number as with the some relationship. அதுக்கு தகுந்தாப்புல நம்ம மாற்றுறோம். So 3 power 5, we want to split this. This power is common, so it should be distributed into 5 square divided by 5 power 7 into 2 power 5 into 3 power 5. So simplify and rearrange. ஒரே சேம் நம்பராக இருக்குது. நேராக ஒரே மாதிரி எழுதிக்கலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டில் இங்கே 3 power 5 இருக்குது. அதனால் இந்த 3 power 5 ஃபஸ்ட்டில் எழுதிக்குவோம். 3 power 5 into இங்கே 2 இருக்குது. 2 power 5 எழுதுறதுனால நான் இங்கே 2 power 5 செகண்டாக எழுதிக்கிறேன். into ஸோ 5 இங்கே 5 power 5 into 5 ஸ்கொயர் இருக்குது. கீழே வந்து 5 power 7 இருக்குது. ஓகேடா? ஸோ we saw already same value, same set, we can cancel. 3 power 5 is 1 into here also 2 power 5 is 1 into. See here 5 power 7, if base is same we can add the power. Write the base only one time and add the power. What is the power? 5 plus 2 is 7. Here also this and this getting cancelled. So 1 into this also 1. What is 1 into 1 into 1? 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. That's all. Thank you.